It's December the 10th and it is 8 degrees. It's Tuesday, December 10th. Had to think there. It's the morning and here's my hemline advent calendar. So I've got to look for number 10 and it's bang in the middle there. I've got to take my hand off there, right. Take my hand off the volume control and it's bang in the middle. 10th. Can I get... There's one thing about getting older, your nails get thicker. God, don't they get thick there? Oh, my toenails. What the heck? The joys of getting older. Anyway. Oh, there. And even worse is trying to cut your toenails. Oh, I can't. I'm just managing at the moment. Might have to colour safety. Oh, colour safety pins. Oh, now then. I've never had colour safety pins before. They're just like paper. Oh, look at that. Wow. Golly, there's loads of them. All pretty colours. Very nice. Just like paper clips. I was just saying the other day that I only have about 2 or 3 safety pins. I suppose these will be nice for quilting, and I have got a plan to quilt sometime next year in 2020. I've got a beautiful, in my eyes I think it's a beautiful pattern, and sometime in January I shall show you the pattern and let you see what I quite fancy doing. As my first attempt. Well, it's not my first attempt. I've made baby quilts before, but I quite fancy this other one that I've seen. So yes, safety pins, and I gather that you use safety pins. Sorry. I gather that you use safety pins in the assembling process of quilts. Pretty coloured safety pins in the hemline advent calendar. Now then, where is number 10 on our women's gadgets one? I just think it's lovely, women's gadgets. I'm dreading if I open. I hope the 24th one is not something that I really shouldn't be opening. Anyway, the 10th is up here. It's a long one. And let's see if I can do it with this. Oh, there. And it's Merg die Nacht meer die Sin. I don't know what that means, but let's have a look. had to get the 2 wisdom teeth out at the bottom at the back when I was in my 30s. It's 4 minutes past 8 at night, and the temperature is just below 6 degrees. However, the gritters have been out, so I think it's going to be a bit cold tonight. So let's get to the hemline and find number 11. We've done 10, that's 10 there, that's done. 11, oh, above it. And it's a reindeer, but let's see what's here. Now, I'm going to have to try and do this without blocking up my volume control. I'm going to have a sneaky look. Oh, look at what's in here. 1,000 meters of polyester thread. Wow. Well, isn't that good? It doesn't have a make, but it's 1,000 meters of polyester thread, and you can't go wrong with 1,000 meters of polyester thread in white or black. One of the popular ones that we all like to have on our shelves or on our racks. Now let's see what our women have. And we need to find 11. Well, that was 10. That was yesterday's. 12, 24. Oh, there it is. There's 11. Right. Try not to cover the volume control and see if you can get into it. This is a bit like the German-built cars. It's a lot thicker to get into than the cardboard is a lot stronger than the one on the hemline. Right, let's see what it says in German. Na weiter, alles schlaft einwacht. Don't know what that means, but I shall put a translation. Oh no, what's this? Oh, earmuffs. Haha, these are not earmuffs, but earplugs. Very appropriate in one sense, because hubby plays in a rock band and it is loud, but apparently all the players wear not the earmuffs, they wear the proper ones for to play in a band, and they've got a little hollow in there so they can still hear the sound, but it blocks off the really loud noise. But he won't wear them. And one of the guys in the band, the bass player, gave me a set like that and said you can wear them while you're listening to them. And I did used to wear them because I often sit right near the front to be close to where they are, and I'm right next to one of the speakers, and boy does it come out loud. So this can go into my handbag, so that if it gets too loud for me, that I'll be wearing those. Basically, they're just a little they're soft. It's that soft foam that you squeeze and you push them into your ears. Or even better, to have by your bedside table, so that if he starts snoring you can put those in. So that is day 11, December the 11th, my thread and my earmuffs or earplugs, one or two there. That's for day 11.